What is up? Your girl is back with another video. Don't worry about my two nails right here. I know I have to redo them, okay? Just don't pay attention to that. Pay attention to my hair today. Now, I've done my balm wash and go videos years back, so it's time to revive that video. Better quality, better lighting, better makeup, and the girl is ready to show you guys how she do her wash and get. Okay. Alright, so first things first. Let me just put out there that every time I do this wash and go, I literally get comments. Like, comments saying, oh my gosh, I love your hair. I kid you not. In between those time periods I don't use this method, I always try to mix it up a bit to get something with a little bit of moisture, see if I find another method that I like, but I never really like anything, so yeah. But I will say, besides using these products that I'm going to show you guys today, I also use the Main Choice gels. Their gels work really well on my hair, but the downfall to that is that it only lasts like 2 days max, and then my hair also feels like really sticky. So let me tell you a little bit about my hair type. My hair literally frizzes extremely easily. Like the front here, I don't know what be going on with my hair. Within 2 to 3 days, my hair is like frizzy, like this area. Everywhere else, like it's super defined. It looked like the first day of a wash and go. And because my front section always gets so frizzy, I always have to pull it back into a puff or into one or something, some type of something I do, okay, just to pull it up, because I can't be going to work with my hair looking crazy, the front hair frizzy as ever, and then the back hair bomb, and you know, it don't make no sense. It don't. Alright, like I was saying. Okay, what was I saying? I don't even know what I was saying. Let's just go ahead and begin this tutorial, because it's already like what, 4 or 5 minutes since I've been talking since video started, and I haven't gotten to the point of this video yet. Number one product that you guys need to use for this balm wash and go is okay, let's rewind this. I have used a lot of detanglers, a lot of light leave-in conditioners when I do a wash and go, and I get so much white residue and flaking. It's just annoying. It's just unbelievable. I have to wear black at work, and to wear black and have all those flakes hanging on here every time you touch it, it's just not, I don't like it. I really don't like it. There's no other explanation for it. I just don't like it. So when I use this detangler, I get shine, I get moisture, and I get a proper hold. I do not get, what is the word I'm looking for? So the next product that you will need is definitely a gel, which is my Wetline Extreme Gel, which is currently out, so you guys can tell I definitely use this gel like crazy. I either use the blue one or the clear one. How the heck am I supposed to do a wash and go with no product? Okay, so my second favorite gel when using a wash and go is the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. The newer ones that came out is such a light hold, like I don't really use it for a wash and go. I'll probably use it just to slick back my hair a bit, but this one holds my hair extremely well. I don't know what it is about this one, but your girl loves it. This gel and the Wetline Extreme Gels I use consistently. Those are the only gels I really use except for the Main Choice. These are my favorite gels that I like to use for my wash and go. Okay, so I guess what we'll do is probably mix it up today, because I clearly don't have enough product here, and this is enough product, but I think I'll just mix it up and just finish off these jars in here, because it's pointless to just keep this in my house. If I do a wash and go with product already in my hair, I will get a lot more flaky much faster. My hair is low porosity, so I have buildup on my strands constantly, so just adding product upon product is not really a good idea for me, especially if I want it to last longer. So like I said, freshly washed hair, and let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I always have a spray bottle on deck because my hair dries extremely fast, and when I'm doing a wash and go, I like my hair to be damp, extremely, not damp to soak in wet, okay? I'm gonna curse, I'm sorry, Lord, forgive me. So I'm gonna wet my hair as much as I can, and I first apply the Sheer Moisture Detangler Balm product. You guys will see how much slip there is once I apply it to my hair. I don't use too much, I just use at least this amount. Oh, It's like applying soap to your hair. You hear that sound? If I have excess, I just put it to the ends of my hair. So now that the product is properly applied to my hair, I use my dimming brush or just a whitey comb to comb through my hair, whichever one is more accessible. I'm just use a comb today. Okay, so now that it's combed out with the comb, I go in with the brush, apply to the roots, and comb my way down. And just use my fingers to separate the strands, kind of like the shingling method. As you guys can see, the curls are popping. I'm gonna just do one half of my hair first and then go to the second half, and the reason being is because I want to take like that Instagram photo when you see half your hair finished, half of it not. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me on both social media accounts. I have a fashion one and I have a natural hair one, so if you guys watch this, you're probably more into natural hair, so I'll put that one on the screen for you guys to follow me. Okay, we're gonna speed up the half and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how everything looks. All right, so let's go. Okay guys, so I am back and this is the final look we're working with. My hair is extremely wet still. I normally sit under the dryer if I'm not going anywhere, but I am going somewhere today, so I'll let it air dry. So as you guys can, what the heck is this? I know what that is. But anyway, as you guys can see, the what is all this white thing? Oh no, that's not white stuff. The definition popping, the shine popping, is all there guys. It is all there. Look, let's do a little close up so you guys can see. I'm scamming y'all. Bam. The front part I use the Eco Styler gel, so if you guys like something more of a stronger hold, the Eco Styler gel, which is the one I showed you guys before, holds much stronger than the wet line gel, but the wet line gel still gives me a really good hold. So it's really up to you which one you guys prefer. If you want like that strong, your hair needs to be tamed type of look, definitely use that one. If not, then use the wet line. They're both really cheap accessible gels, so anyone at this point that works for you, just do it. Just do it, okay? Like Nike, just do it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know I've been 2019, I was supposed to be making 100,000 subscribers, but the way my YouTube account is set up, I don't know if that's possible, but still consider subscribing, still share, still like the video if it helped you in any type of way, and I will see you guys in my other tens and thousands of videos that I'm making here on YouTube. Peace.